Thank you very much, Professor Ben Israel. One of the leading causes of death in today's world is cancer. Quiet Therapeutics is developing a new generation of cancer therapeutic based on the cutting-edge research of Tel Aviv University's Professors Dan Pe'er and Ramona Margalit. I invite Dr. Dalit Landesman-Milo to address the audience on behalf of Quiet Therapeutics. Dalit.
So good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tel Aviv University, Your Excellency. I'm very happy to be here. And I know each one in this audience knows someone, a relative or a friend who has suffered from cancer. I'm Dalit, I'm a cancer researcher and dedicating my life for researching various therapies for cancer. This book is the biography of cancer, and it's written by oncologist and physician, Siddharth Mukherjee. And it tells the story of how people fight this terrible disease for thousands of years. I'm going to introduce you two stories about this battle. So cancer is the leading cause of death worldwide, with approximately 14 million new cases and 8 million death cases through 2012. However, this number are going to increase, and in the two next decades, they are going to reach into 22 million new cancer cases annually. Why isn't that we cannot cure cancer yet? We reached to the moon, we almost fly to Mars, but we still struggle in this disease. But before I explain to you about new cures for cancer, I would like to explain to you what cancer is. This is the flow of information inside our body. DNA is transcribed into RNA, RNA translates into protein, and it's tightly controlled. However, in cancer, cells losing control. We can design new drugs based on RNA that can overexpress or downregulate, knock down these genes, and we can use it as a biological weapon to actually kill the cancer. One of the major problems is that each person reacts differently to the same drug. We cannot use the same drug for everyone. We must design new drugs that fits the profile, the DNA profile of cancer patients. This is called personalized medicine. Additionally, most of the conventional drugs like chemotherapy destroy not only the cancer cells, but also the normal, healthy cells. Here, nanomedicine is a game changer. We are designing a very, very small molecule that can stick only the tumor cell, can penetrate it and release the drug only in these diseased cells without interfering and destroying the normal cells. So we have two problems. We have no enough personalized medicine, and we need a very effective delivery system in order to deliver this drug into the diseased cells. So what we need a delivery system. We need a drug, A. We need the delivery system to encapsulate the drug inside. And 3, we need a target agent that we can bind to the surface of this delivery platform. Actually, it works like a GPS, target specifically to address the tumor cells. You can think about homing of ballistic missile. This is exactly what we are doing. In our lab, we focus on several malignancies. Today, we focus only on 2. One of them is glioblastoma. It's a very aggressive tumor of the brain. Most of the new drug candidates cannot enter the blood-brain barrier, so they are not effective enough. We develop a new technology, delivery system, that can actually penetrate the glioma cells very effectively and release the drug only there. In mice model of glioma, we saw a 150% of increase in the survival rate of the treated mice compared to the untreated mice. In another disease, lymphoma, another aggressive, rare disease, when the median survival rate is 5 to 7 years, we used the same methodology. This time, we conjugated an antibody that can recognize special molecules that are only on these lymphoma cells. When we inject it into mice, in the tumor-bearing mice, we saw a significant improvement in the survival increase rate compared to the normal mice. So what I want to say that when we used the nanocarriers and put inside the biological drug, we can not only put the drug or release the drug only in the diseased tumor cells, but also we can prevent the awful adverse toxic effect that many, many cancer patients suffer from. However, nanomedicine-based drugs is not affordable, reachable in developing region. There, the only way to prevent cancer is actually like to do early detection. Cervical cancer is the leading cause of death in this area. 500,000 women, most of them young women, died each year from this disease. This death is preventable. A young Israeli company called Biomedical is developed a point-of-care solution that can not only scan the cervix, but also can identify the condition of the tissue, normal or abnormal, pre-cancer or cancer. All the data is saved for a better follow-up and better detection. So this generation is more intelligent, have the innovative and the technology to beat cancer and to actually develop better cure for cancer. Cancer has killed more people than all wars, genocides, and conflict in the world. I ask you to join us to combat this battle. And last, I want to thank to my lab colleagues and Professor Dan Pierre for their hard work each day on this disease. Thank you so much.